Have you ever been betrayed by someone you trusted? Imagine if in the middle of heartbreak you could outsmart the situation and walk away stronger. Dive into the timeless tale of the monkey and the crocodile and discover how quick thinking and self respect can turn the tables on betrayal. My life became so much easier after I learned this secret from the ancient Indian books. Let's learn to be as smart as the monkey in the tale.
There was once a clever monkey who lived on a beautiful fruit tree near a river. He was happy, carefree, and enjoyed the sweet fruits the tree offered. One day, a crocodile swam by and struck up a conversation with the monkey. Over time, they became friends, or so the monkey thought. One day, the crocodile asked the monkey for some fruit to take home to his wife. Being generous, the monkey gave him plenty. The crocodile's wife, however, was not as kind. When she tasted the fruit, she hatched a wicked plan. She told the crocodile, "If these fruits are so sweet, imagine how delicious the monkey's heart must be. Bring him home so I can eat his heart." The crocodile was torn, but ultimately he gave in to his wife's demand. He went to the monkey and said, "Friend, my wife has invited you to our home for dinner. Hop on my back and I'll take you across to her." The monkey, trusting his friend, agreed. Halfway across the river, the crocodile revealed his true emotions. "I'm sorry, my friend, but my wife wants to eat your heart. I'm taking you to her now." The monkey was shocked and heartbroken, but he didn't let his emotions control him. He thought quickly and said, "Oh, why didn't you tell me that before? I left my heart on the tree. Let's go back and get it." The crocodile believed him and swam back to the tree. As soon as they reached the shore, the monkey leapt to safety. Climbing high into the tree, he looked down at the crocodile and said, "You betrayed my trust, but you can't take away my cleverness. Go home and tell your wife you've lost the game." And with that, the monkey saved himself, proving that quick thinking and self-respect are keys to survival. Now let us pause and reflect. What makes the monkey's story so powerful? It's not just about his cleverness, it's about his ability to stay calm in a crisis. He didn't let betrayal cloud his judgment. When someone betrays you, especially someone whom you love, your first instinct is to blame yourself. You start asking questions like, was I not good enough? Did I do something wrong? But let me tell you something. The betrayal is not about you. It's about the other person. Like the monkey, you need to put some distance between your emotions and your decisions. It's okay to feel hurt, angry, and confused. But don't let those emotions define your self-worth. If you let the crocodiles in your life convince you that you are the problem, you are giving them the power to control your story. Instead, learn from the monkey. Stay calm. Don't react impulsively to betrayal. Take a moment to think. You must assess the situation. Who is the crocodile in your life? What do they want and why? And finally, and most importantly, always choose yourself. Like the monkey, prioritize your safety, dignity, and well-being. And now I'm going to share with you some strategies of thinking like the monkey. So how do we apply this story to real life? Here are some steps to help you bounce back from betrayal. First, put your heart on pause. When emotions run high, take a step back. Write down your thoughts, talk to a trusted friend, or meditate to gain clarity. Second, focus on your strength. Remind yourself of what makes you unique and valuable. The monkey didn't let the crocodile's betrayal make him doubt his cleverness. Set boundaries. Don't let the crocodile in your life take more than what they deserve. Learn to say no to protect your emotional space. And finally, plan your next move. Think strategically about how to move forward. Whether it's cutting ties, seeking support, or focusing on your personal growth. Betrayal and heartbreak are painful, no doubt, but they don't have to break you. Like the monkey, you have the power to outsmart your challengers and come out stronger. The next time someone tries to pull you down, remember, your worth isn't determined by their actions. Be the smart monkey. Put your heart on pause. Trust your mind and always choose yourself first. Thank you for listening. If this story resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tales that inspire and empower. I'm your host, Dr. Rajni Gemini, and I see you in the next episode. Until then, stay resilient and think smart.